everyone, I am Prerna and you're watching The Legal Band. Have you ever thought the car which you drive is a public place or private place? Why I'm supposed to wear mask when I'm driving alone? To find out the answers to this question, let's quickly start with this video.
Saurabh Sharma versus Sub-Divisional Magistrate. In this case, Delhi High Court held that wearing of face mask is compulsory even while driving alone in a personal car. It held that a private vehicle will amount to a public place in context of pandemic. The reason was there is a possibility of the droplets released by a person while driving alone in a car infecting others who may enter the vehicles later. Thus, it cannot be said that merely because the person is traveling alone in a car, the car would not be a public place. In another case of Bhuta Singh versus State of Haryana decided on 2021, a recovery under NDPS Act was made from the accused while he was in his personal jeep at a public place. It was held that the case of accused would be covered by section 43 and not by section 42 of NDPS Act. So let's see what these sections are all about. Section 42 deals with power of entry, search, seizure, arrest without warrant or authorization by the concerned authorities, while section 43 deals with the above powers in public places by the same authorities. For the purpose of section 43, public place includes any public conveyance, hotel, shop, or any other place intended to be used or accessible to the public. And since the jeep involved in the case was privately registered jeep of the accused, it was not a public place coming under section 43. Therefore, the court held that the concerned section which was to be followed was section 42 and not section 43. The same having not been followed, the accused was acquitted. In case of Satwinder Singh versus State of Bihar 2019, the appellant was found drunk inside his private vehicle. He argued that section punishes drinking in public place, and his car being a private vehicle, the section is not applicable. Rejecting the argument, Supreme Court held that public place includes any place to which the public have access, whether as a matter of right or not.
So now you know that the law cannot answer in black or white. It has to be subjectively applied depending upon the context and circumstance of each case. This is the beauty of law. I hope the video answered your questions, and since this is the first video of our channel, do let us know your feedback by commenting in the section below. That's it for now. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.